Hey everyone, Sash here, and I'm coming at you with another update. This one is one of those ones that a lot of you were asking for, and it's finally here. So we got the Jane reporting dashboard that you can put right into your GHL up and running, and we're releasing it today. So it is available right now. If you want to get your hands on it, just let me know. But let's just go through it and see how it works. So first of all, this is a completely custom built Looker Studio, grabbing all of those data from your Jane, putting them together and putting it inside this beautiful dashboard. Now, for those of you that you don't know how this works, is if you have GHL on 297 or 497 account, you can basically embed this within your dashboard. So as you can see, I'm in my GHL and inside my dashboard. If you don't have that and you only have the 97 one, that's okay. We can give you the link and you can put it in here as a custom menu link on the left-hand side and you can click on it and it will show you the dashboard. So that's the only difference between the 97 one and the other ones. All right, now let's dive in. So we got the typical things at the top. So we have our filters, date range, staff name, type of treatment, and clinic, which is basically if you have multiple locations within your gen, you can filter those out. And we have a couple of different sections in here, so I'm just going to run through them quickly. So the first section, we got the appointments. As you can see, it shows you total appointments, arrived, canceled, no-show, reschedule, and we also have a little nice time trends for number of your appointments as well over the time, so you can kind of like see what is happening. Then we got a small section for your payments and revenue. So this will show you the total payment amount, average payment per patient, which is sometimes very useful, and also outstanding balance. Next one, we have your purchase and treatment mix. So this is kind of like showing you uh, in two different pie charts which one of your staff members are bringing most of the revenue. So this is revenue by staff. And on the right-hand side, we have the purchase volume by treatment. This basically shows you which one of your treatments are more profitable or they're more popular. And then next section, we have a patient inside. This is a very good one. So what it does, it basically shows you the new patients for this period, the returning patients, average appointments per patients, patients seen only once during that time, and total active patients. And we also put it inside a very nice bar chart as well. So you can see that, for example, in here, you only had you had five patients that only had one visit, and you had like four patients that they had more than five visits, and then one patient with two visits, and one patient with three visits. Okay, and then the next part is the performance and utilization. This is mainly around your staff scheduling. So at the top, it shows you the total scheduled hours for staff, your total booked hours, and average booking percentage. And at the bottom, we have two different bar charts. And at the bottom, that bar, I've hidden the name, so you will see your name of your staff, and you will be able to see the revenue comparison between your staff, and also on the right hand side you will see the staff booking percentage comparison, so you can see which one has been always like fully booked out compared to the other one that have been only booked out like 50% of the time. So this is, I'm super excited. It's just super cool, and one thing that I that you don't get from all those practice management software or EMRs is a nice dashboard. So I believe this is a very good uh, detailed dashboard for most of you guys to get things going and started. And how you can get access to this. So if you've already have the integration, the only thing is you just need to let me know, and it's a one-time setup fee of $100. And the reason for that is because for every sub accounts, I need to actually go and set this up. We need to set the Liquor Studio up for every sub account that says, hey, we want this, and then grab the links and give it to you guys. And on top of that, we give you 30 days of your previous history of data, so you have some visualization from day one. And on the other hand side, if you're not subscribed, you need to get the subscription for the integration first, and then we can set this up for you. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You know how to reach out to me if you want this to be up and running on your account. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.